I'm Toby Foster, Sales Director for Inspiration Healthcare. If there's one word that best describes us, it's innovation. Inspiration Healthcare specialises in supplying neonatal and adult intensive care equipment to the UK and international markets. Our strengths are a reputation for innovation. Our strengths, we have a strong ethical ethos which permeates throughout the business. From the directors that started the business and are still fully functional within it, to all the members of staff. For the Outstanding Achievement Award, we spent a lot of time and effort in establishing ourselves within the USA before we actually applied for the FDA approval. Since 2011, we were talking to people at the Research Centre in Stanford, the principal investigator there, with regards to a clinical trial to be taken part in California with one of our pieces of equipment. Supporting the clinical trial at Stanford University enabled us to reach a wider audience for our product and gave us the insight in applying for the FDA approval. The USA represents a major market for Inspiration Healthcare to continue its expansion into the international arena.
Hi, my name is Joshua Chapman and I'm the Marketing Director for Scientific Laboratory Supplies, more commonly known as SLS. And the best word to describe SLS is flexible. SLS has grown to become the largest independent supplier of scientific products in the UK by doing things differently and differentiating ourselves within the market in a very fiercely competitive market. We've adopted a tailored, flexible and fast approach to everything we do. This isn't just from the customer's perspective, but this is throughout the whole entire business. So that goes from the sales team through to logistics and after sales support. Due to the operational setup that we've adopted at SLS, we've seen our turnover grow from 15 million in 2005 to 36 million in 2014. What makes SLS unique to the Outstanding Achievement Award was how we were able to demonstrate in pitching for the UKSPS tender. We were able to demonstrate that we had gone to all level 2 tier suppliers and SLS had set up an agreement and supply terms with them. This takes an extra dimension when you realise we were competing against well-resourced multinational companies. The agreement for UKSPS is conservatively estimated at worth £34 million over the duration of the contracts over the 4 years.
I'm Sue Archbold, the Chief Executive of the Ear Foundation, and the one word that we've chosen to describe the Ear Foundation is here. We're a business, but a business with a vision and a heart. And our vision is that all people with hearing loss have the right to hear and to use today's hearing technologies to the full. Our strengths are that we are a third sector organisation so that we can be independent, and we combine being highly professional with being family friendly so that we can really fulfil our mission of helping those with hearing loss to hear today. The Ear Foundation is a unique third sector organisation and a unique business, if you like. We're unique because we work with all ages of those with hearing loss, not just children, not just adults, and we now work with all hearing technologies. The Ear Foundation is also unique because what we do is bridge the gap between the clinics where all the hearing technologies are fitted and home, school and work where they're actually used in daily life. The Ear Foundation is unique in relation to the Outstanding Achievement Award because over the past year, in really challenging circumstances for third sector organisations, we've had the amazing achievement of developing our sound space facilities. It's doubled our space. We've now got acoustically treated environment with disabled access where we can have unique facilities bringing together today's hearing technologies, the latest hearing technologies, with professionals who know about communication, bringing together the highly professional aspects with the family-friendly aspects.
Hello, I'm Richard Weaver. I'm the founder and managing director of XenoGesis Ltd. The best word that describes us as a company is unrivaled. XenoGesis Ltd is a contract research organisation offering experimental services in the field of drug metabolism and pharmacokinetics. Our key strengths are that we have a vast amount of experience having previously worked at Big Pharma and know what is required. What makes us stand out as a company is that exceptional science is at the core of our business. We're not just a number generator, and that's especially important for the small to medium enterprise support that we give. What makes us stand out in relation to this award is creating 15 employment opportunities in just 3.5 years. Really what we've done is we've turned a devastating event that happened from the AstraZeneca site closure into employment for highly skilled scientists, especially in the East Midlands. The other fantastic achievement that we had is the huge financial organic growth to £1.1 million turnover in just 3.5 years. And we've also been profitable since day one. We're constantly identifying new opportunities, often with strategic partners, be that rare but often needed deliverables for our clients.